One, red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. And black color. White color. So kids, now you draw alphabets A to Z. And first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use yellow color. Yellow color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N and use blue color. Blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wallet. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids now draw numbers and use black color. And first we draw 1, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, 4, F-O-U-R-4, 5, F-I-V-E-5, 6, S-I-X-6, 7, S-E-V-E-N-7, 8, E-I-G-H-T-8, 9, N-I-N-E-9, 10, T-E-N-10. Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids now draw numbers. 1, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, 8, 9, 10. Kids now draw 11 and use yellow color. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Kids now draw 17 and use blue color. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Kids now draw 23 and use black color. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Kids, now you draw K and use green color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. Kids, now you draw O and use blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use black color. V for van. W for wallet. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.